This is Prasad, and we are learning about how to extract the data within folder within active sheet. So I have one folder here, and I have 10 sheets here. So that data I want in this active sheet, and in a folder path having a big data like 9,617 rows to 4 sheets. Okay, and I want per shift data to in this active sheet. So how will I do this? That is a calculation consolidation part. So here is a developer tab, and here is a visible basic. I reset the model already here, and I write the subject. So subject would be PRA and N subject. Okay, I define the string here first, which is my folder path. I define first of all folder path here. I is equal to dr directory. In this directory, I put down the path name. So path name is the I taking here, and in a double inverted comma, first I mention here, and then here, then dot xls and complete. And I check here in a message box where the file is coming or not. Yeah, it's working fine. The file sheet1 is displaying here, sheet1.xls. Okay, so I write second, which is the looping part, little bit looping part here. Do while loop I use here is equal to loop. Okay, and I mention here first workbooks dot open in bracket. This much I copy, and I dot, and which is the path we are giving, folder path giving the here, and I calculate this path. Okay, then I copy the per sheet. So range sheet, so A1 dot current region current region dot copy and paste on this workbook report workbook, which is the active workbook. Okay, so report.xlm, we can active that. So mention here workbooks column report report.xlm dot activated active. Okay, activated. Then we can take the last row here and paste on the data to offset side, because offset we will do the active row source, so we can paste the multiple sheets data on the active sheet. So we can mention here range. Our data is huge, so we can take the range 1 lakh, a 1 lakh, then int xlf, then dot offset, and we can mention here row source and column source. Row source would be 1 and column source is 0. Dot paste the sheet, dot paste out. Okay, then we can mention here active workbook dot save. Whatever the data we will get, that data will be saved, and workbooks dot close. Which workbook we are talking about, that which is the, we can give in the path name. Okay, this workbook save changes would be, and root workbook would be false. Okay, and then we can mention here dr would be nothing. Okay, so we can run this code. So what's happening here, we can check that. Okay, so first of all we can mention here effect the data. So first sheet is open here, then this sheet is copied and getting the error here. So what error we will get, we can check here. report for access. Here, let me put Excel, which is the correct what I measured here. Report.excel workbooks. By the moment, I take the file name to the which is this data. Activate the run. So this data has been running fast. Now look at the replications, which is the PC screen, and taking a huge data set, taking a little bit time to here. A little bit time. Okay, so all data we will get to here. But thing is that I will check the data, because this data giving to wrong information, giving to wrong, so we can clear the shifts here. Say clear, because we will get the error to here, and you know we will get report excellent, which is incorrect. So we can run again and mention here which data we will get to I. Okay, so then you can check here, that is 10 2 3 4 5 6 7. So whatever the sheets in folder, that sheets name, showing the message was here. So all data getting to here. Okay, but I get the heading to portions. I do not want this headings here. So what I will do, I write one code here, active, say entire row dot do it. Okay, and then I run again. Okay, that is 10 2 3 4 5. So all data is getting here, but taking a little bit time, because data having a 10 maximum, so might be taking time. 7 8 9 and first. Okay, so we have in 9,530 pencils, so which is the correct one. This is the data which we get. We can mention the 5 headings here which we get and test it. Okay, so that is from my side, guys. If you have any questions, please ask me to comments. I will answer to you. Thank you and very much. Have a nice day.